Today, we will talk about Insider Secret how to get the best deal. In a world where every penny counts and maximizing value is paramount, gaining insight into the insider secrets of securing the best deals can be a game changer. Whether you're hunting for the perfect bargain on a product, service, or even negotiating a salary, understanding the dynamics at play and employing savvy strategies can tilt the odds in your favor. Here, we delve into the depths of these insider secrets, unveiling the tactics that savvy consumers and negotiators utilize to ensure they never settle for less than the best. Knowledge is power. The foundation of any successful deal lies in comprehensive knowledge. Before embarking on any purchase or negotiation, conduct thorough research. Know the market prices, competitors' offerings, and any relevant discounts or promotions. Informed consumers are empowered consumers. Timing is everything. The timing of your purchase or negotiation can significantly impact the outcome. Keep an eye out for sales seasons, clearance events, or end-of-quarter deals when sellers are often more willing to negotiate for fear of missing targets. Additionally, certain times of the day, week, or month can offer better deals due to fluctuations in demand. Leverage the power of patience. Impulsivity rarely leads to the best deals. Exercise patience and avoid the temptation to jump on the first offer. By demonstrating a willingness to walk away, you position yourself as a serious buyer or negotiator, prompting the other party to sweeten the deal to retain your interest. Master the art of negotiation. Negotiation is a delicate dance, and mastering its nuances can be a game changer. Start by anchoring the discussion in your favor, then employ active listening and empathy to understand the other party's position. Seek out areas of mutual benefit and be prepared to make concessions strategically to secure the best outcome for both parties. Utilize the power of networks. Networking extends beyond professional circles. It encompasses a vast web of connections that can be leveraged to your advantage. Tap into online communities, forums, and social media groups where consumers share insider tips, promo codes, and exclusive deals. Additionally, cultivating relationships with industry insiders or sales representatives can provide access to insider discounts or early access to promotions. Embrace the art of bundling. Bundling multiple products or services together can often result in substantial savings. Whether it's combining insurance policies for a multi-line discount or bundling cable, internet, and phone services from a single provider, bundling offers an opportunity to negotiate better rates and streamline expenses. Flexibility is key. Rigid adherence to a specific brand or model can limit your ability to secure the best deals. Remain flexible and open to alternatives, particularly if they offer comparable quality at a lower price point. Consider exploring lesser-known brands or refurbished options, which often come with significant cost savings without sacrificing performance. Harness the power of technology. In the digital age, technology is a formidable ally in the quest for the best deals. Price comparison websites, browser extensions, and mobile apps can help you quickly scout out the lowest prices and track price histories to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. Additionally, signing up for email alerts or following brands on social media can provide early access to flash sales or exclusive promotions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.